Ammar Machinery, Industry and Development.
Hello everybody, today I will press the WCH200 mold to adapt a new shape. Now the installed mold can wrap this shape and I wanted to wrap this shape. I'll start by removing the old mold parts. So this is the old mold shape, and now I will remove the different parts. The new mold parts for this piece. Each part is numbered with a unique number for the model shape. So the piece number is 2, so each part is numbered with 2. During the installing of all these parts, the number should direct to the top always. We will start by installing the part that elevates the chocolate from the feeder into the former. So this part will be placed in this area. Okay, just pressing it and fix it using the associated bolt. Now the expeller that push the chocolate into the paper base. This part is installed here in this position, so just put it like this. As we see before, the number should direct to the top. I will use this bolt to fix the expeller, just like this. Okay, now the side folders which fold the wrapping paper. There is a small cavity here. This cavity should be from the paper roll side. So I will install this folder here and fix it using the associated bolts. The same thing for the other folder, like this. Now the back folder, it should be placed in the back here and fixed. And then the chocolate ejector that push the chocolate to the exit, and it should be installed above the back folder. In this area I will install the mold exit. There is a small axis, small shaft here. I will place it in this hole and put the exit like this and fix it using the 2 associated bolts. Make sure that the shaft reach its limits and then fix it using these bolts. The paper base, there's 2 holes here. The inside holes should fit this bolt. So I will place it here and move it until it fits the position. Now I will use the tall bolt, the only tall bolt, to fix these bases. Just like this. Now the format, these slots should be from the inside. I will start by pulling this bolt down like this, and then I will put this format here until it fits the position. The feather width fits the chocolate width by moving the side guide using these bolts. Now it fits the width of the chocolates. Adjust the top guide to fit the chocolate thickness. Okay, I will move it up like this and make sure that there's 2 millimeters between this guide and the chocolate top. Just like this. At the end, we'll braid the exit side guides. So this guide should be aligned with the mold exit. So align them like this, and they should fit the chocolate width. Okay, from the beginning to the end. The top guide in the exit should be calibrated to press the chocolate well from the beginning to the end. After placing all parts, now I can replace the mold number. We installed the mold number 2, so I will put 2 here and press enter. Notice how the shape of the chocolate changes. Now to calibrate the pepper width and other parameters, I can enter to the molds page, to the mold number. We work with the mold number 2 and see the different parameters. The pepper device should be placed at 20 millimeters. So we will change it using the roll. This page shows every parameter needs to be calibrated regarding the pepper width. As we see here, the pepper width for the mold number 2 should be 100 millimeter, 10 centimeters, and the pepper length should be 85 millimeter. We can increase this number from this keypad. Okay, this part shows me the chocolate width and the chocolate weight, and these parameters are for the pepper device. The roller number 2 should be at 14 millimeter and the roller number 1 should be at 20 millimeter. Turn on the pepper device using this button. Install a new reel. I'll start by pulling this out like this. Then I'll install this reel as shown here. The pepper goes with the machine like this. I will insert the fastener again and close it tightly. Then I will pass the pepper like this. Start by this roll, then this roll goes here, then here between the 4 rolls. Then I will pass it under this roll. Move the roller up by rotating this blue plastic and pass the pepper under the roll until it's go out from the blades. Now I will rotate this. I will rotate this plastic again. Now the roller can move the pepper. Now I want to move this device to fit number 2 here as shown on the screen. So I will unlock the device and move it using this bolt. Like this until it fits number 2. Then lock it again. Unlock the roller holder like this and move it inside and outside using these bolts. Now I will adjust this roller, moving the roller to fit the number shown on the mold screen. So it is 19, I will put it on 19. Now let's make a try. I will hold this and the protector, push the chocolate to the wheel. Let's see where we go. Looks nice. Nice. Good. That's it. Now we are ready to wrap our chocolate.